डेली यूज इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के ट्रांसलेशन के लिए मेरा इंग्लिश क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें। तुम इस तरह से बोलना कब बंद करोगे? When will you stop talking like that? When will you stop talking like that? वह बस तुमसे पैसे ऐंठना चाहता है। He just wants to rip you off. He just wants to rip you off. शर्म के मारे उससे बात नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। I'm embarrassed to talk to him. I'm embarrassed to talk to him. मैं जिंदगी में पीछे नहीं रहना चाहती। I don't want to fall behind. I don't want to fall behind. मुझे वह लोग पसंद हैं जो खरी बात बोलते। I like the people who are candid. I like the people who are candid. किसी को थोड़ी सी मदद करने में कुछ नहीं घट जाता। It doesn't hurt to help someone a little. It doesn't hurt to help someone a little. बस पूछ लिया करो, पूछने में कुछ नहीं जाता। Just ask. It doesn't hurt to ask. Just ask. It doesn't hurt to ask. एक बार मैं अपनी चाय पी लूं, फिर हम काम शुरू करते हैं। Once I have my tea, we will start the work. Once I have my tea, we will start the work. आप पैसे नहीं दोगे तो मैं काम शुरू कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I start the work unless you give me the money? How can I start the work unless you give me the money? उससे जरा नरमी से पेश आओ। Be gentle with him. Be gentle with him. चीनी जरा बच के इस्तेमाल करो। Use some sugar sparingly. Use some sugar sparingly. मैं उसके पास पैसे देने के बहाने गया। I went to her on the pretext of giving money. I went her on the pretext of giving money. इस काम को थोड़ा थोड़ा करो। Do this work bit by bit. Do this work bit by bit. मैं काम करके सो गई। I slept after completing the work. I slept after completing the work. मैं तो इस शहर का चप्पा चप्पा जानता हूँ। I know this city like the back of my hand. I know this city like the back of my hand. मुझे अपने लिए कुछ खरीदना है। I want to buy something for myself. I want to buy something for myself. आप मुझे कुछ क्यों नहीं देते हो? Why don't you give me anything? Why don't you give me anything? मैं अपने जीवन में कुछ नया काम करूँगी। I will do some new thing in my life. I will do some new thing in my life. मुझे अपने कमरे के लिए एक नया झूमर चाहिए। I want new chandelier for my room. I want new chandelier for my room. मुझे लगा शायद आप मुझे बुला रहे हैं। I thought maybe you were calling me. I thought maybe you were calling me. मुझे लगा शायद आपको मुझसे कुछ काम है. I thought maybe you had something to do with me. I thought maybe you had something to do with me. तुम हर बात का गलत मतलब क्यों निकालते हो? Why do you misinterpret everything? Why do you misinterpret everything? इसी कारण मैं तुम्हें कोई भी बात नहीं बताती हूँ. That's why I don't tell you anything. That's why I don't tell you anything. हड़बड़ी के कारण मैं 1 घंटे पहले ही पहुंच गई. Due to hurry, I arrived an hour early. Due to hurry, I arrived an hour early. मेरे घर के चारों तरफ खेत है. There are fields around my house. There are fields around my house. मुझे पैदल चलने की आदत नहीं है. I am not used to walking. I am not used to walking. जल्दी क्या है? पहले मुझे कुछ खा लेने दो. What's the hurry? Let me eat something first. What's the hurry? Let me eat something first. तुमने सबको क्यों बुलाया है? Why have you called everyone? Why have you called everyone? मैं शब्दों में बयां नहीं कर सकता. I can't explain this in words. I can't explain this in words. मैं कपड़े धोने में व्यस्त थी. I was busy doing laundry. I was busy doing laundry. मैंने कभी भी किसी को धोखा नहीं दिया. I have never cheated anybody. I have never cheated anybody. क्या किसी ने तुम्हारा पीछा किया? Did anybody follow you? Did anybody follow you? वह अभी तक यहाँ नहीं आया. He hasn't come here as of now. He hasn't come here as of now. तुम्हें पढ़ने की इजाज़त क्यों नहीं है? Why are you not allowed to study? Why are you not allowed to study? क्या तुम्हें अकेले बाहर जाने की इजाज़त है? Are you allowed to go outside alone? Are you allowed to go outside alone? हम तुम्हें बुलाने वाले थे. We were about to call you. We were about to call you. थके होने के बावजूद उसने मेहनत की. He worked hard despite being tired. He worked hard despite being tired. देर होने के बावजूद मैं ऑफिस गया. I went office despite being late. I went office despite being late. वहाँ कुछ अजीब लग रहा है. Something seems odd there. Something seems odd there. वहाँ कुछ बदल गया है. Something has changed there. Something has changed there. मुझे अकेले जाने में शर्म आती है. I feel shy of going alone. I feel shy of going alone. तुम एक हफ्ते में कितनी बार नहाते हो? How often do you shower in a week? How often do you shower in a week? हम बात बात पर चिंता करते हैं. We get worried on every single matter. We get worried on every single matter. मेरे आने पर उसका मुंह बन गया. He got upset upon my arrival. He got upset upon my arrival. मुझे तुम्हारी करतूतें पता चली हैं. I have come to know about your misdeeds. I have come to know about your misdeeds. कहने के लिए कुछ बचा ही नहीं. Nothing is left to say. Nothing is left to say. मैं तुम्हारी बातें क्यों सुनूं? Why should I listen to you? Why should I listen to you? हम सही सलामत घर पहुंच गए. We arrived home safe and sound. We arrived home safe and sound. मैंने उसे एक नज़र में पहचान लिया. I recognized her at a glance. I recognized her at a glance. पार्टी में 50 से कम आदमी थे. There were less than 50 people in the party. There were less than 50 people in the party. उसने अपने भाई की ओर से बात की. He spoke on the behalf of his brother. He spoke on behalf of his brother. वह बहुत थका हुआ था, फिर भी वह चलता रहा. He was very tired, but still he kept walking. He was very tired, but still he kept walking. क्या मुझे टाई पहनने की आवश्यकता है? Need I wear tie? Need I wear